Humans have always dreamed of time travel. We want to explore beyond our present. It is a fundamental part of our curiosity. Modern stories also love the idea of time travel. Science fiction books are often full of it. Movies show us exciting time adventures. The Time Machine by H.G. Wells is a famous book. Back to the Future is a very popular movie series. These stories make time travel seem almost real. They explore what could happen if we controlled time. They truly capture our collective imagination. Why are we so deeply interested in time travel? Perhaps we want to fix mistakes from our past? Or maybe we dream of seeing the wonders of the future. The idea of knowing what will happen is very tempting. It offers a sense of power and understanding. This enduring fascination fuels many creative works. It also inspires scientists to ask very big questions. These questions are about our existence and reality. This essay will explore the concept of time travel. We'll look closely at what science currently says. We will discuss different theories and possibilities. We will also think about the problems and potential dangers. Is time travel just a wonderful fantasy, or could it one day become a stunning reality? Let us journey together into the many mysteries of time. We will see what the laws of physics might allow.
Science offers us some interesting hints about time. Albert Einstein's brilliant work is very key here. His theories completely changed how we see time. He showed that time is not constant for everyone. Time can actually stretch, and it can squeeze. This was a truly revolutionary idea for physics. It opened new doors for thinking about time travel. It made us question the fixed nature of time. Einstein's special relativity talks about time slowing down. This important effect is called time dilation. If you move very, very fast, time slows for you. This happens when you approach the speed of light. Astronauts on space stations experience this a little. They age a tiny, tiny bit slower than us on Earth. This is a real, proven form of travel to the future, though it is on a very small scale for now. General relativity links gravity directly with space-time. Einstein showed that massive objects warp space-time. Imagine placing a heavy ball on a soft, stretched sheet. This warping actually affects how time itself flows. Stronger gravity makes time pass by much slower. Near a massive black hole, time would slow dramatically. Nature itself shows us that time is flexible. These concepts are vital for time travel theories. Quantum physics also presents us with strange ideas. Quantum entanglement is one such fascinating example. Two tiny particles can become mysteriously linked. What happens to one particle instantly affects the other. This connection remains even if they are far apart. Some scientists wonder if this could relate to time. Could information travel faster than light or through time? Research in quantum physics continues to push all boundaries. If we could travel through time, there would be consequences. The butterfly effect is a very famous concept. It suggests that a tiny change in the past is huge. It can cause enormous effects on the future. Imagine going back and accidentally stepping on an insect. This small act could change history in big ways. It highlights how delicate cause and effect can be. This idea makes time travel seem extremely risky. The Novikov self-consistency principle offers a different view. It suggests that if you travel to the past, you cannot change it. Whatever you do in the past was always meant to happen. It was part of history all along, unchangeable. This means you cannot create paradoxes by changing the past. Your actions would only fulfill what has already occurred. This principle tries to make time travel logical and consistent. It avoids many of the common paradox problems. Time travel also brings up very difficult puzzles. These logical puzzles are often called paradoxes. The grandfather paradox is a classic well-known example. What if you go back in time and you prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother? Then your parents and you would never be born. But if you were never born, you could not go back. This creates a serious logical contradiction. Another tricky paradox is called the bootstrap paradox. Imagine an object or some information has no origin. A scientist gets a brilliant theory from their future self. They write this important theory down in a book. Then in their future, they give it to their past self. Where did this theory originally come from? It seems to exist in a closed loop without a start. These paradoxes challenge our understanding of causality. Scientists have thought about possible solutions to these paradoxes. One interesting idea is the many worlds interpretation. This idea comes from the field of quantum mechanics. It suggests that every time a decision is made, the universe splits. New parallel universes are created for each possible outcome. So if you go back and change the past, you create a new timeline. You do not change your own original past. You simply enter a different, parallel universe. Research into the manipulation of space-time continues today. Some advanced theories involve things called wormholes. Wormholes are like theoretical tunnels through space-time. They could potentially connect distant points in space, or they might even connect different points in time. However, creating a stable wormhole would be very hard. It would require exotic matter with negative mass energy. We have not yet found such matter anywhere. The future potential of actual time travel is still very uncertain. It remains mostly in the realm of exciting theory. But science is always advancing, always learning more. What seems completely impossible to us today might be understood tomorrow. The cultural impact of time travel ideas is already huge. Time travel stories affect how we see history and destiny. They make us question the very nature of free will. They ask us to consider what reality truly is. There are also very serious ethical considerations to ponder. If time travel were ever possible, who would control it? What kinds of laws and rules would we need? Could this powerful technology be used as a weapon? The power to change the past or know the future is immense. It could have truly devastating consequences if it is misused. We must think very carefully about all these issues. The pursuit of time travel is a profound human challenge.